بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين ولا عدوان إلا على الظالمين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن نبينا محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا my brothers in Islam. Welcome to the 50th lesson of Arabiyyah to Bayna Yadayk, book 1, part 1. We stopped, my brothers in Islam, at the 19th page. We stopped at the 19th page, 1-9, of book 1, part 1. And today, inshallah, in this 50th lesson, I will continue, inshallah, with Tadrib al-Khamis. And I was speaking about the sentence that is between the qawsayn, Bayna al-Qawsayni, between the two brackets. إذن يذكر is he mentions. So يذكر كل طالب, every student mentions, and the word kullu, my brothers in Islam, the word kullu, as you can see, kullu al-aslu kullun, yani the origin of this word is kullun with two dhamma. لكنه مضاف غالبا, but غالبا mostly it's مضاف, meaning you can call it the added, so you have only one dhamma. وله معنيان, and it has two meanings. So the word kullun or kullu has two meanings. It's either every, and it means every when it's used with the single form. So if the noun after it, what will be automatically the mudafun ilayh with the kasra, if the noun after it is a single form noun, it means every. And it means all when it's used with a plural noun after it. So for example, how do you say in the Arabic language every student? Every student is kullu talibin. Kullu is mudafun, that's why it has one dhamma only, and talibin is mudafun ilayhi. Kullu talibin, every student. And talib is a single form noun, mufradun, and that's why kullu means every. But if I say all the students, now we use a plural form. All the students. How do you say that in Arabic? Kullu الطلاب. All the students. Kullu الطلاب. So I just showed you the meanings, the two meanings of kullu, and when each meaning is being used. So here in this text we have talibin, what is a single form masculine noun. So here it means every. Kullu means every. So every student mentions ismahu. As you know, ismahu has a hamzatul wasli, and that's why you don't pronounce it in the middle of the sentence. You say yadhkuru kullu talibin ismahu. Kullu talibin ismahu. Wasma baladihi. Wasma baladihi. Wasma, the meme has a fatha because it's ma'tufun, it's connected, and at the same time it's mudaf because baladihi, as you can see, is mudafun ilayh. This is all extra information, and it's ma'tufun, and ismahu is ma'tufun alayh, yani it's connected to ismahu. So isma baladihi, that's the second isma is connected to the first one. Anyway, this is something you'll learn later on, and it has all to do with the waw. The haraka after the waw has to have the same haraka of the word before the waw. Fa'idatun. Now, before that, wasma baladihi wa jinsiyatahu, and his nationality. So every student mentions his name and the name of his country and his nationality. So if you close your books, my brothers in Islam, if you close your books, I want you to close your books, and at the same time I want to engage with my fellow brother in this tadrib. So although I'm not hearing you, I want you to say what I want you to say my name is. You say my name is, then you are mentioning your name, and then you ask me what is your name. So many of my brothers in Islam, the name is Muhammad, for example. So if that's your name, you say Ismi Muhammadun, and then you say to me, how do you say to me, what's your name? Masmuka. Don't say ma ismuka, because we have a weak hamza and it's not pronounced. So you go straight to the scene. Masmuka. As you know, if you teach this Arabic classes to your daughter or to your wife or your sister, you say, she will say, Ismi Khadijatu, for example, if her name is Khadija, or Ismi Aishatu. Masmuki, what's your name? If she speaks to a woman, Masmuki. Ismi Abdul Karimi. As you know, the kasra is not pronounced if it's in the end of the sentence, so I will say it the practical way. Ismi Abdul Karim. Likewise, in the practical way, on the street, it's Ismi Muhammad, Ismi Khalid. Now, if it's at the end of the sentence, if there is a full stop coming after it, or even a comma, because that is a pause. We're going, inshallah, keep your book closed. It says here, Ana min Turkiya. We go to the middle section. What is ba? Ana min Turkiya. I'm from Turkey. Okay, I want you to say where you're from. So you start with I am from, and then you mention the country name. You say I am from, and then you mention the country name, and then you ask me, where are you from? So in yourself, and if your country name is not mentioned before, you can quickly go to any translating website. Google Translate is not very precise, I have to be honest with you. They have done some great job, but it's not always precise. Now, Al-Mawrid is a very good one, or Henswer. Anyway, so you say, for example, I'm from France, Ana min Faransa, and then you say to me, where are you from? Min ayna anta? I will reply by saying, Ana min al-Maghribi. I am from Morocco. But because it's the end of the line, Ana min al-Maghrib. And then we go to Jim. If this person is a French person, the Jim section is about the jinsiyatun, the nationality. So you say, for example, I am French. Ana Faransiyun. The ya with the shadda gives the nationality if you add that to the country name. Okay. I'm Indian. Ana Hindiyun. I'm Chinese. Ana Siniyun. And now you ask me, what is your nationality? How do you say that to me? What's your nationality? Ma jinsiyatuka. What is your nationality? Ana Maghribiyun. I am Moroccan. And we are all brothers in Islam, and there is no difference in that except for taqwa. فائدة, a benefit. هذه أسماء بعض الدول. These are the names of some countries. دول are countries, and one country is دولة with تاء المربوطة, with a tight ta. وهي مكسورة, and these countries they have a kasra بسبب من, because of min. Min is a preposition, so after min you automatically get a kasra. So al-Hindu has a one dhamma, and min al-Hindi, because of min it becomes al-Hindi. As-Sinu, China, and as you know, many countries, or a lot of them, they have L in the beginning, so this L can never be removed. So min as-Sini, as-Sinu, China, min as-Sini, from China, so it gets a kasra. So these words get a kasra إلا إذا كانت ممنوعة من الصرف, except if these countries are ممنوعة من الصرف. So when they have one dhamma, I'm not talking about the one dhamma because of L, because one dhamma because of L are normally words with two dhamma, so these are not counted as ممنوع من الصرف. We're talking about countries that have only one dhamma, okay? Like Misr, like Pakistan, etc. So وأكثر الدول, and most of the countries are ممنوعة من الصرف. Okay, so if this is the situation, فتكون مضمومة, so they have a dhamma بضمة واحدة إذا كانت مجردة. So these countries, if you put nothing before it, مجردة means if they are solely, if they have, if they are on its own, نعم, they have one dhamma. أما بعد حرف جر, as for after a preposition like min, فتكون مفتوحة بفتحة واحدة. Then they will have one fatha, because like you know, words with one dhamma, they get one fatha after a preposition. مثال ذلك, for example, باكستان has one fatha. So you say min Pakistan. أنا من, I'm from, أنا من Pakistan. It's normally Pakistan. Some other names, my brothers in Islam: Kazakhstan, Indonesia, Nigeria. These countries that have an alif, alif is a very powerful letter with regards to prepositions. Prepositions have no influence upon on the alif. So for example, I will go to, for example, I have a neighbor, his name is Musa or Isa, both are with the alif. سأذهب إلى موسى, سأذهب إلى عيسى. Both alifs are pronounced like they are. Ila has no influence. But if I put it with Khalidun, سأذهب إلى خالدين. I hope that is clear. So Indonesia, the alif doesn't accept any harakat except for the sukun. So nothing has actually changed. أنا من Indonesia, I'm from Indonesia. أنا من Nigeria, I'm from Nigeria. الصومال, أنا من الصومالي. الهند, India, أنا من الهندي. تركيا, أنا من تركيا. أفغانستان, أنا من أفغانستان. تركمانستان, أنا من تركمانستان. Malaysia, nothing will change here. أنا من Malaysia because of the alif. Bangladesh, Bangladesh. أنا من بنغلاديش. أوزباكستان, أنا من أوزباكستان. ألبانيا, أنا من ألبانيا. Albania, nothing is changed here. Kosovo, أنا من Kosovo. Also here nothing has changed. Gambia, أنا من Gambia. Brunei, أنا من Brunei. These are, like you can say, fixed. Fixed. It's a fixed name. You cannot change it. You can see it like this. المالديف, أنا من المالديف. Maldivia. غانا أنا من غانا. فرنسا أنا من فرنسا. إنكلترا أنا من إنكلترا, England. And England has two names, or you can say two ways to spell. No, that's better. Inkeltara and Ingeltara. You can choose any one of the two. كلاهما صحيح, what means كلاهما, both of them. Both of them are correct. أنا من إنكلترا, أنا من إنجلترا. You can also say أنا من بريطانيا, what is Britain. Or أنا, or for example المملكة المتحدة, United Kingdom. المملكة is the kingdom, from the word melikon, king. المتحدة, united. Okay, so المملكة المتحدة is the United Kingdom. أنا من هولندا. Oh yeah, أنا من المملكة المتحدة. أنا من بريطانيا. And then after that أنا من هولندا. هولندا says the same. أنا من بلجيكا, Belgium. أنا من السويد. I'm from Sweden. أنا من إفريقيا. I'm from Africa. These are continents. قارات. قارة is a continent. قارات. ألف open tongue. أنا من آسيا. And Asia, this huge continent, is being written in two ways, as you can see. You can write it in two ways. أنا من أوروبا. I'm from Europe. And here is where I will end, inshallah. And until our next class, inshallah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.